Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a document of your copy on the Dropbox application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your homepage or to your files and select the document that you want to share. Tap on the three dots icon next to it and tap on send copy. Click on continue. Tap on set expiration and you should select the expiration date, such as whether you would like the copy to expire in 3 days or 7 days. You can turn on this notify me of downloads option, so you will get a notification when the person to whom you have forwarded your document has downloaded your document or not. And you can also add a password if you are a premium member. Tap on continue. Now your transfer is being created, and tap on share link, so you can share your link with the person to whom you want to send it via airdrop, messages, Instagram Messenger, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.